Some questions are there with public administration we are dealing right now. So, which of the following central tendency should be used on the when numbers are not symmetrical? So that is median. So medians should be used at the time when the numbers are not symmetrical, such as when they are deeply in the pump but with some very high or very few number. Statistical and probability theory, the median is the value separating the higher half from the lower half population. Okay, now consider the following statement depicting the characteristics of hypothesis. So hypothesis should start with a question that is not true, but it should be specific, accurate, explain only one issue, but it should start with a question that is not true. So it is precise, considered. If the hypothesis is a relational hypothesis, should be stating the relationship between the variables, and specific should have a conducting mode test. Which one of the following not correct about Kautilya Shastra justified limited power of king? So Kautilya Shastra does not justify limited power. Kautilya Shastra is a science which has relation art of the governance of internal external territory. It is broadly an art of the government. It also deals with the continuous problem of the possession and maintaining the land. Which one of the following not a meaning of scientific method of the research to search solution without thinking? So अगर साइंटिफिक है दैट मीन्स इट शुड हैव ऑब्जेक्टिविटी एंड टू सर्च द सॉल्यूशन गिवन प्रॉब्लम विथ प्री कंसीव्ड नोशन एंड टू प्रोसीड विथ हाइपोथेसिस दैट इज इफ दैट इज साइंस. ओके, अगर साइंस नहीं है तो इट विल अवॉइड द ऑब्जेक्टिविटी and scientific method justify research means avoid objectivity and to search the solution given problem without any preconceived notion and to proceed with hypothesis. So avoiding the objectivity is also scientific, and the process in the scientific method is involve making conjunction hypothesis, driving the prediction from logical consequences. Which is the following is the behavioral feature of the Weber model of bureaucracy? Weber given the intellectuality. So intellectuality is the behavioral feature, and the Weber was a German scientist, defined the bureaucracy as the highly structural, formalist, and also impersonal organization. He also introduced the belief that an organization must have a defined hierarchical structure, regulation, and line and authority. Which is following is not correct about the power of Gram Sabha. So control of the SC/ST OBC, that is not in this provision of Panchayat Pesa Act was a law enacted by the government of India, ensuring the self-government through the Gram Sabha for the people living in the scheduled area. Indian Artificial Limb Manufacturing Corporation for the Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry. So that was the artificial limb. It is the central public sector unit working under the aegis of the Ministry of Social Justice, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disability, Government of India is incorporated in the Alimco. Which is the following is responsible for the social audit? Social audit was Gram Sabha is responsible for the right to work, aim the livelihood and the security in the rural area of the providing wage employment in the financial year. Which one of the following had advocated the authenticated exploitative style that was Likert was given? Likert and the create a psychometrically sound scale based on the multiple questions. It is exploitative authority system leader concern for the people and used fear-based method. Which one of the following not included the difference between public and private admission for Josiah Stem? Principle of political nature is not. So Josiah Stem was giving ministerial responsibility, marginal return, external financial control, and uniformity of the treatment. External financial control, uniformity of treatment, marginal return, and the ministerial responsibility. These four things. Which is the following? Ministry of Finance prepared the central budget, that was Department of Economic Affairs. So that is formulating the economical policies and international aspect of the management. Now, which is the following amendment has raised the age of retirement? Chairperson of the State Public Service Commission, that was 41st Amendment. So it was 1976. This age was now 60 to 62 year by amending the article 116 and 2. Okay. Which one of the following coined the term Lokpal? That was Lakshman Singh. The anti-corruption authority at body is who represent the public interest in the public, and the correct chairperson of Lokpal was it is a statutory body, and that was the Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. That was current Lokpal, and it is a statutory body. Which one of the following is not the reach the WASH program? So electricity supply not reach the WASH program. So program work in the long-term prevention and the measure for the improving healthy and the reduction poverty, socio-economical development as well as global agency of the outbreak. Which is the following defined as a development administration as a process of changing plan change that was given by the John Montgomery, and especially that was the administration process of exceeding the process and the projecting direction of the socio-economical progress. Which is the following principle treat the citizen, customer and the public administration as a public manager? That was new public management. New public management is a approach for the running public service organization that is used to the government and the public service institution for the national and semi-national. Which is the following not objective of Indian National Urban Mission Safety Heritage Site is not? So the National Urban Mission was vision of the development of cluster village, that presence of the nature essence of the rural community, focus on the equity and the inclusiveness without the compromising with the facility of the urban area. Which is the following responsible British India to the Secretariat of the organizing robust? That was Cornwallis. So he was overview the consolidation of British control over the British and setting up the stage for British Raj. He was also instrument for enhancing the administration and legal reforms. Consider the following interest the responsibility of the development project. So that was new organization and a special unit under the existing organization, any existing and the contractor. This fourth was given here. Next is next question is what? That is what is for the following is the part of the three main stage of the any project. So that was project networking is not the part of this. So three main is the construction of the project, establishment and the operation of the project, but networking is not. Fresh evaluation of every item, that was the zero based budgeting. So zero based budgeting Peter a fire new period, and the process of this beginning start from the zero base within the organization, analyzing this. Which the following is the approach is considered decentralization not mean? That was given the theoretical approach, and it was verified the application of scientific method. The recommendation of the 15 Finance Commission, it was 1st April 2020, and that was the November revolution, and that was the 15 Finance Commission was term was also extended from the 20 to 25. Which is the following not a authority? That was National Highway Authority is not a regulatory authority. So in 1988 that was responsible for management of the India, and that was for the highway. In which of the following part 5 of Constitution the basic structure of the Constitution of Comptroller Auditor General, that was Article 148 to 151, that this is the provided part 5 of the Constitution. And Comptroller Auditor General establishing in India, it is the audit machinery for the country. According to the wide road, which is the following correct about this capacity to the rule? So new public administration facing the high level work, that is not given by the road. Next one is one. So that was road was given, and the failure of routine work of the government, the restructuring the government structure, and the differentiate between ordinary work and the high level work. Now this again one more question. The MP Follett, she given the constructive conflict. Luther Gulick was given the executive function, and Henry Fayol was given the element of management, and the Woodrow Wilson given the administration and the politics. Now which is the following committee is often as a super cabinet? So ministerial committee of the political affair, that is often used as a super cabinet, as a considered as a super cabinet. Which is the following report of the second ARC recommends 7-step model, that is report on civil centric administration. 7-step is define the service standards, develop the capability, perform the achieve the standard, monitor the performance, evaluate impact and the continuous improvement. Which is the following correct about the implementation of public eye by the Negro? So Negro was given 1, 2 and 4. It is art and science that is not given by the Negro. So that was given by the Negro. Next one is who provided the state introduction to national importance? That was the Act of Indian Parliament. Institution of national importance was NITI and it is status for the confirm as a premier public higher education and promote play in developing the highly skilled personnel. Which is the following empirical dimension of the evolution? That was understanding the fact. So empirical dimension theory was the key of the good empirical evolution, proper design and the of the experiments. What is the characteristic line-based budget? Line-based budget is 1, 2 and 4. It is create the decentralization, so that is not the line. It is basis for the heritage. It is system of the check and balances, centralization and aim at the control expenditure, but not for decentralization. Which one of the following not included? The 4D diagnosis is not included. So Swasthya Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram diagnosis is not in that. Now next is which article of the Indian Constitution was contained the origin of Comptroller Auditor General? So that was known as the Comptroller World 48. So this is establishment of Constitution. He was empowered to strict expenditure of the government status and the student for the corporation. Which is the following budget of India increased the president's salary? That was 2018 and 19. So in this president's salary was increased 5 lakh rupees. Before that 4 lakh rupees for the vice president. And with this regard the emoluments of the president decided by the parliaments. Okay, and it was 1 April 2018. Next question is public servant need to given the national award for good work. This was amendment given by the second ARC. So second ARC reform was 31 August 2005 as per the commission under the chairmanship of the Virappa Moily was a detailed blueprint of the public admin system. The universalism, that means the refracted society. So the universal diffuse society, so fused society was the ascriptive value and the functionally diffused. But secondly the prismatic society was the polyfunctionalism and selectivism and attainment. But last diffracted society, that was based on the universalism, achievement and the functional spatiality. So due to this the prismatic society which is the indeterminate between the universalism and particularism. The parliamentary commissioner appointed by the UK and this was the Sir John White committee and it was the parliamentary commissioner. Which of the following non-programmed decision? Non-programmed decisions are the space to Mars. So decisions are the space to Mars conform to the non-program and that was the decisions non-programmed. Okay, 0-0 theory, that was given by the Green Scientism and it was 0-0 achieve the sustainability. Wastage of the fossil fuel should not be there. Next is bureaucracy is the combination of the promotion of the red tapeism and promotion and red tapeism, symbolic red tapeism from the promotion. More promotion level require the more clear numbers. So it is wrong. Next one is bureaucracy is combination of promotion of the red tapeism, but second was wrong there. In the ERG P का मतलब क्या होता है? That is P meaning is R stand for the relateness. So ERG में Paul Adolpher, American psychologist who developed the hierarchy of the needs and suggested there are the three group of the needs of the existence of relateness. Which the following of India is the rank first in the livelihood city? That was the Pune. So it was the cross country comparison regional level and a pillar for the analyzing the ranking, and that is report also gave the analytical findings. Under the syndrome to related to which of the following the appointment of the higher judiciary? So Uncle syndrome, that is related for this higher judiciary. who is responsible for keeping the central level ministerial meeting? So that was the cabinet secretariat. So normally a secretariat of topmost executive is the senior most civil servant, and cabinet secretary is the ex officio head of the board of the civil service. Cabinet secretary is the Indian service are the all civil under the rules of this government. Now next is the distribution related to the directly connected fund to the customers, and they create the possibility of the option for themselves among providing the consumers. So here is the two things are first, both are true and both not explaining to each other. Now distribution related to the consumer fund for customers and consumers budget, but this creates the possibility of the selecting themselves among the competitive consumer, which is the following called the second generational behaviorist. New public administration is called the second generationalist behaviorist, and who told this? That was Fredrickson. I think Fredrickson was telling about the new second generational behaviorist. Next one is which is the following is subject of concurrent list. That was economical social planning, and it is in list third of the 52 item given the 7th schedule of the constitution, and power to consult both the union and the state government. Development of public policy, that was making an issue. So if there is a public policy, that means there is a issue that can be made. So public policy making includes some steps, writing the agenda, policy formulation, policy adaptation, implementation. It is also intended to revise the program. Administration is the key. Great Society knows the sword, that was given by the Charles Beard, and it was the American historian who primarily during this half of the 20th century Columbia University, and Beard influencing the primarily due to the publication of the field of history of the political science. Next one is the central agreement on the tariff of the trade. So that was given 1947, and Asian Development Bank, it is 66, and Monetary Fund, that was given by the 1945. Okay, which is the following critics of the Thomas Carlyle leadership related book of the great man theory? That was the Spencer. So Thomas Carlyle leadership book of great man theory, and that was the 20th century idea coming for the legally influencing such as the superior and extraordinary leadership ability for the have a decisive historical light. जिस आर्गरिस्ट ने क्या दिया था? न्यू स्टेट. लिकर्ट was given the human side, and Chester Bernard organization management followed understanding organization behavior. So this all about here you can see किस आर्गरिस्ट की बुक थी understanding the organization behavior, and Chris Argyris American business theorist who are the given this, and now the Chester Bernard organization and the management, Chester Live for the American business executive public admin, and that author of the pioneer for the management theory. Follett was given the Mary Parker Follett given the creative experiences. In what principle? The principle of lapse in the form of budgetary principle, that was annuality of the budget. So principle of lapse was in the form of the budgetary principle. Annuality in the public budgeting is the widespread. It referred to the suggested by the central public holder, in which is the following cake came into existence. So that cake was 1970 and 148 article, and 1971 government enacted the Comptroller Act, and that was came in 76 I think. The research aimed to seek knowledge for sake of knowledge, so that was known as the ideographical research. And the sense of ideology, problem, social relation also given. Now consider the following. It suggests the endows the appointments of the president. So Senate, the structure of the power of the US are explained by the article 1, and it here all the impeachments and presiding officer of the Senate vice president होते हैं. ठीक है. So all of true. The principle of which pretender rise towards the level of incompetence, so that is known as the Peter principle, and this is concept explained in the 1969 book of the principle of the William Merrow and Company of the Raymond Hall, which is the following. Data collection is the quite significant for the inquiring securing the data. So that was interview data के जो होते हैं, that is quite significant. ओके, सो इंटरव्यू की जो डाटा है दैट इज़ क्वाइट सिग्निफिकेंट for the qualitative and quantitative research. Now minimum age for the mayor city, that was the 21 year, and that is the city town board is or legislative body and governed by the city. Now what is main objective of the control of public enterprises? So first is the incentive, the skill achievement, national goal achievement of the targeted result, and regulation of the power. So these are the goals objective for the public enterprises. Now next question is a report on the policy training, and that was given by the Burma Committee and National Police Commission, that came from the Ranbir Commission, and human face of the police, that was given by the Ribeiro Committee, and the new police law, that was Soli Sorabji. Now consider the following concept of the piece rate system. So piece rate system was giving formal training is not part of piece rate system. So formal training is not part, but yeah, organization of the analyzing the work and differential piece rate system and the paying men, not the position. Which is the following is provide the each panchayat will continue for the 5 year. So 243 and E is for the पंचायत के जितने भी समय होता है वो. So now there is a 243E and that was each पंचायत as a 5 year. A में क्या है? A is the power and function for the gram sabha. B is for the constitution of the panchayat. C is for the composition of the panchayat. Which is following not a characteristics of the UK citizen charter. It include worker demand, that is not true. So UK में John Major was tried to establish this kind of system in 22 July 91, making administration accountable and user focused, ensuring transparency, open comment, taking measure for the improving the performance, and adopting the stakeholder approach. Next is lateral entry in the public service can be destroyed. The steel frame and the lateral entry external expert top administration post initiated world class. Now deadline of the Indian become for that was the 2 October. So 2 October 2019 was the commission for the Mahatma Gandhi open defecation free of the missing Bharat Abhiyan. Under it is priority for the toilet जो भी है इनको साफ रखना. Now which is the following type of probability sampling? Probability is a systematic sampling. Rest is non-probability. ठीक है, तो systematic sampling that is a part of the probability sampling. And now which is the following is the management according to Peter Drucker. So MP Follett is known as the prophet of management. ठीक है, so MP Follett pioneer of the management, and that was given by the Peter Drucker along with the Lillian Gilbert, great women management expert for the classical management theory. Statement that education and every individual have the primary education to be free, that was Universal Declaration of the Human Right of 26 and 1. It was given in that. Now next one is again we are going to discuss. Okay, so this is what this is here is the specialization. स्पेशलाइजेशन का मतलब होता है कि एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द वर्क. सेल्फ डिसीजन का मतलब क्या होता है? दैट मीन्स अगर आप सेल्फ डिसीजन ले रहे हैं, सो इट इज़ एबिलिटी टू सिलेक्शन फ्रॉम गिवन ऑप्शन. डिफ्रेक्शन का मतलब क्या होता है? स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑफ द सोशल ऑर्डर एंड द डेवलपमेंट इज द एबिलिटी टू कलेक्टिव डिसीजन मेकिंग. Now research that lead to the knowledge that used in the scientific method is called that is applied research. So the research that is this is the only for the research used for the business education order to find the solution, that is the scientific. Which is the following is not a result of the Mindrabuk conference. Explain on the comparative study, that is not. So which one of the following not the result of the Mindrabuk conference? Emphasis on the comparative study. comparative study पे ये Mindrabuk conference कभी भी emphasis नहीं करती है. Which is the following is not a character of unity of command. So flexibility is not part of unity of command. Okay, so that was providing for this, and it is the that was term is responsible for the supervising and on up to the organizational hierarchy. Arrange the following of the research report for the correct sequential order. So सबसे पहले आएगा रिव्यू करेंगे हायरार्की को, देन उसके बाद में डिस्कशन करेंगे व्हाट इज़ द मेथोडोलॉजी, देन विल बी द कंक्लूजन, एंड लास्ट में डिटेल लिस्ट बनाई जाती है। तो सबसे पहले क्या होता है, रिव्यू करेंगे, रिव्यू के बाद में हम डिस्कस करते हैं मैथडोलॉजी। ओके, मैथडोलॉजी के बाद में हम क्या करते हैं, कंक्लूज़न एंड रिकमेंडेशंस देते हैं, और उसके बाद में डिटेल लिस्ट बनाई जाती है। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज़